YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. And in today's video, I got something that I'm super excited to have for a multitude of reasons. If you've been around the channel, you know that this is a shoe that I've wanted since it dropped, and I'm so happy that I have it in hand. You read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. Before we get into it though, if you are new here, we are currently at just messed that up, 972 subscribers, man, at the time of me recording this. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. If you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, all of that good stuff. Also, make sure that you go ahead and smash that like button, man. It really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the channel. And then last but not least, make sure that you follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there. First, you would have seen these up there already. And without further ado, let's get into it, man. So you can see the box right here. You already know what it is. The burgundy top, the Paris Saint-Germain going across it. I don't know. Some people say German. I say Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, whatever. You get that nice burgundy color, burgundy ring right here. And yeah, Jumpman in the middle. Beautiful box right there to begin with. Now, before we open this up, I do want to read the official colorway. I'm not even sure what it's called. This is a Air Jordan 4 Retro. PSG in the colorway is white, Bordeaux, and neutral gray. These retailed for $225. So let's take the top off right here.
I took the top off.
And here it is, the Air Jordan 4 PSG. Alright, YouTube, now before we get into this video, man, I need to give a huge shout out to the man Goneawol, dude. Solid dude. I've been following his channel for a while, and I saw that he had a pair of PSG 4s that he wanted to get rid of, and I also saw that he wanted a pair of the Jubilee 11s that just came out. Now, you guys who have been around also know that I got 2 pairs of the Jubilee 11, and I told y'all off rip, one of them is already gone. This is where that one went, man. Shout out again, Goneawol. Thank you so much. This is a shoe that I really wanted when it came out, as you guys know, and I am super excited to have him in hand. You guys know I'll take a Jordan 4 over a Jordan 11 any day. Absolutely any day I'll take a Jordan 4 over a Jordan 11. 10 out of 10. It's my second favorite Jordan sneaker silhouette, behind the Jordan 12, man. These are so crispy to me. But before we get more into the shoe, there are a couple things that I do want to mention in the box. I mean, you guys would have seen videos by now, but you've never seen the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the games video. So here we go, man. You get your kind of translucent paper right here with the Paris Saint-Germain logo going across it. I don't know how well you can see that on there. And then actually, AWOL, solid dude, actually did send in the receipt from Shoe Palace. Y'all don't need to see all of his information and everything on there, but the receipt from Shoe Palace. And then a really dope touch on this box right here is the grass on the inside, obviously representing the Paris Saint-Germain soccer team. If I was one of those dudes that hung boxes like on the wall and then put my shoes in them or on them, it would actually be pretty cool to like set up a display like this. I actually may figure out a way to, you know what I'm saying, get a little something going. I really like how this looks right here. Something that's dope to me. I like when they add little details in the box. Let's get into more detail on this shoe, man. Now, like I said, by now this is an old sneaker, but for me, it's a sneaker that I never stopped thinking about. The first thing that came to mind when I was able to get 2 pairs of Jubilee 11s is I could use one of these as trade bait for the PSG 4, and we were able to trade it straight up. Now the first thing I'm gonna say, while I love these so much, those of you who know that I am, you already know, but my high school colors were this burgundy or Bordeaux or maroon, whatever you want to call it, and white. So this is a perfect shoe to represent my high school colors, man. It brings me back to those times just looking at it. You know, obviously the fact that this is Jordan 4, you guys already know how I feel about the Jordan 4, and then just the quality on it. Now, I heard everyone say that the quality on these is great, and I'm always the one that like wants to prove everyone wrong and say, it's not all that. But the quality on here really is all that. I'm gonna pull out this heel tab a little bit just so y'all can see that leather bounce back right there. You got that motorsport material coming around the toe guard there, which is really dope. Or not the motorsport, sorry, the military blue material coming around here that is super dope. We got the Germain tag sitting right there, man. What else we got for details, man? Up here on the tongue, white Jumpman, burgundy or Bordeaux flight, white laces, black wings with the Bordeaux, whatever these are called, lace holes, eyelets, whatever. And one of the most interesting parts of the shoe right here is the heel. The heel tab on these are really, really dope. And they don't look like too much off rip. I mean, it's obviously the same thing that's on the box. You get the Paris Saint-Germain or Saint-Germain Jumpman logo right there, which is cool. But the actual material of it, it's like a soft rubber, as you can see, like versus your regular Jordan 4 that'll like cut into your ankle. Like you can see, this is pretty soft. For those of you that do not know what I'm talking about, this is like the closest Jordan 4 to me that I can reach right now. But usually on the back of your Jordan 4s, you get this stiff, like hard plastic situation that can like really jack your ankles up when you're sitting down if you're not careful. But this one's nice and soft, cool little material situation. Big fan of that. And I do like how it's like kind of striped going all the way up. So you get that black burgundy going up. Yo, I'm super excited to have these one more time. Big shout out to Goneawol, man. Thank you so much. I checked the tracking on the Jubilees that I sent out. It says it should be getting there around Wednesday, I think. Is Wednesday the 23rd? Let's see. Christmas is Friday. Yeah, so Wednesday's the 23rd. In May, the whole P.O. boxes, you know, Goneawol. You know what's going on. Yeah, super excited to have these, man. Thank you so much, man. One of my favorite, not just Jordans of the year, but one of my favorite sneakers of the year. This is the sneaker that I was waiting for to get in hand to do my top 10 Jordan pickups of the year and then my top 10 overall sneaker pickups of the year. This sneaker right here is the reason why those videos have not been out yet. I was waiting to receive this because it has to be on there. Man, I absolutely love these, man. Let me know what you think about them down below in the comments, man. Do you have these? Did you pay resale for them? Were you lucky enough to get retail? I obviously took the L in multiple different avenues, but a delayed W with the trade on the double W of the Jubilee 11, man. I absolutely love these. But once again, let me know what you think down below in the comments, man. That's all for this video. If you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. At the time of me recording this, we're at 472 subscribers. Also, make sure that you go ahead and like the video. If you were here that long, man, make sure that you go ahead and like the video. I'm sure you were entertained. And then last but not least, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You would have seen these up there already. And you're going to see a lot more of them. I may do a Jordan 4 lacing tutorial. They're going to be in my top 10 Jordan pickups of the year. They're going to be my top 10 overall sneaker pickups of the year. They're that good. So make sure that you follow that. But that is it for this one, man. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. One more time, shout out to you, Goneawol. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.